Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you currently facing the Zelle error code 2900 and you want to be able to fix this? Well, actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what I did actually is that I firstly closed my Zelle app and instead I went into my settings app. So I went into my settings app, I scrolled down, and in here what I did, I clicked on general as you can see. Then I scrolled down a little bit again and clicked on storage. And here as you can see, and now I waited for this complete page right here to load as you can see. And what I did after that, I scrolled down and I selected Zelle. So I'm just going to see if I can find a Zelle in here. So just a second. I think it's actually way down here for some reason. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down. Oh, here it is. As you can see, I clicked on Zelle, and on this page right here, I clicked on Upload App, and then once again, I clicked on Upload App in here, and then I clicked on the blue button. So basically what I did after I clicked on this blue button here once again, by the way, sorry. So I'm going to click on it. And now when it says loading right here, then what we're going to do, we're going to now wait for our Zelle app to completely load to the newest version. The reason why we need to do so, I think, is because when they do release a new update, then sometimes we might get that error code. So just go into this page right here and then do this exact step-by-step guide, wait for it to completely update to the newest version, go back into your Zelle app, and I hope that this is now fixed for you as well.